Going to do a quick video on this 2025 243 RBS Catalina. It is the Legacy series, so it's got some extras on it. It is pre-wired for solar. Lots of storage there, pass through. It has auto level on it. It is a total of 28 feet long from the front tongue to the back bumper. Has a battery disconnect there. Like I said, storage goes all the way across. Cable TV hookup, has one slide. Double axle. It has gas electric water heater, 30 amp trailer. There's your sewer, black and gray. Only one outlet. Does have a storage rack on the back. Sewer flush, outside shower. Does have a heated and covered underbelly. Does have an awning with light strip and LED light strip. It has outside TV hookup there. It has spray port there for outside shower. Griddle and a small refrigerator on the outside. Has the solid step on it, along with a nice handrail to go in. This is your queen bed room. Does have a switch there to control the lights, ceiling lights. You could put a TV right there. Has sliding doors, not curtains. Has a fireplace that puts out heat. This is storage here. This is the other side of the bedroom. TV can hang there on the wall. Ducted air conditioning. It is a heat pump air conditioner with a thermostat on the wall. Has a cup wash on it. TV can go there. Stainless steel appliances. Does have an oven. Does have a shower with a glass enclosure. Medicine cabinet. Skylight over the shower and a vent, powered vent. Bathroom. Has good storage here. The pantry. Good size. Large slide out. Dinettes can make beds. There is doors up underneath the dinette booths. Theater seating. Come see it. Quality RV Sales and Service, Nacogdoches.